smell? I want to smell.
Wow.
Wow.
Woo-wee!
Hi guys, welcome to Pineapple.
What are we doing today?
We are making another hot dog.
What are some of the ingredients we need, guys?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay. Pineapple, some hot peppers.
Today we're just gonna be making one.
Onion.
Some onion. Yep, we are gonna throw all this stuff together in a blender, blend it all up and see how it turns out. So we got this recipe from Queen Majesty hot sauces. They make some really great stuff. Check them out if you want.
Yeah.
So we are gonna go off that. So first, let's get our blender set up. All right, bud, you want to throw the onions in first so you don't smell them anymore? Good job. Actually, then we need a couple.
Yeah!
Woo! Let's give them a shot of the grilled pineapple that we got going on there. So we need 2 cups of that. Here we go. On this hot sauce, it has a nice little sweet flavor because of that pineapple. It really helps bring out the sweetness of our garlic here. So get the spoons. And this recipe calls for 6 to 7 garlic cloves, but we don't have any, so we are going to use garlic powder instead. Next is we want some lemon juice. Ta-da! So, bud, we want 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Okay. Then let's do 2 tablespoons olive oil since we have this right here. Let's do a tablespoon of salt. Then a tablespoon of black pepper. Let's go a little easy because last time we did this it was a really strong vinegar, so we're going to do. But we forgot the one main ingredient, huh? The peppers. Red serrano. Yeah, you can just throw some in. Throw that guy in. These were the serranos. Let's leave the seeds in for a little extra added spice. Jace, are you trying to throw in one of our scorpions in there? Should we do just a little bit? Maybe we can prank Mama with it. Portion of it.
This
Okay,
is
guys.
gonna make it more hot.
Yep. Good job.
How about on one so it's not that loud?
Start with 1.
But me and Sizzle, no, gonna do the taste test.
No.
Smells good. Okay, let's leave a little room so we can freeze these. This is a little darker than last time. Last time it was more green. This time it's a little more mustardy.
Yellowish.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Only about 2 jars this time. So there we go. It's a little thicker this time too, without as much vinegar. Should we taste test it?
Yeah. Yes. Look! It is a taco.
Ooh! Wow! Woo! That's got some kick to it. Dang! It tastes good, but woo!
Hooray!
Ooh-wee. Should we have Mama taste it?
Mama, we have something for you to taste.
start getting kind of loose too. Ooh, it's tricking me. Dada! Oh man!
It's not hot.
Well, it's not hot. The Whoopie Mama.
It's hot. You guys tricked me. That was not nice.
What's this one gonna be, sis?
Gonna be onions. And what are these called?
Sun-dried tomatoes.
Sometimes potatoes and cheese,
Garlic.
garlic, and tomatoes and leaves.
Red bell peppers and Italian parsley. So let's start with a cup of onions, sweet onion. Okay. Let's do our cup of sun-dried tomatoes. 6 to 7 garlic cloves. 1½ cup red bell pepper and a tablespoon of parsley, Italian parsley. 2 tablespoons olive oil. A tablespoon of salt, pepper, and 3 cups apple cider vinegar. What's the last, most important part?
The one about
No, scorpions, yes. So the recipe calls for 2, but should we do 3?
yeah.
4. 5.
Look at that guy.
6.
7,
8.
9,
10.
And if you want to give a little extra spice, you can leave in the seeds. I'm going to put these in, sis, because I don't want you touching them, okay? Because they're really hot. Wow.
Can I smell?
I want to smell.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's have that one.
Woo! Want to help me dump in?
It goes like this.
Yes.
And then guess what, guys?
Right.
We need to taste test it.
Dada, I will taste this with you. Sorry. I'm gonna eat this.
So dip it in just a little bit. It's got some spice. Woo! This is the one with the scorpion pepper that we just made. Should we give that one a go, see how it is? All right, scorpion pepper, here we go. I've got some kick. I'm glad we didn't do 4.
Thanks for making hot sauce with us tonight. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
And maybe we'll prank Mama again.
Yeah.